Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, we'll be talking about lyrics training and how you can use it in your world language classroom. So the first thing you're going to want to do, I suggest, is download the app on your phone and create your account there. I had a teacher at my school who was trying to start using this, and creating the account via the web version wasn't working for her. So she created it on her phone and then used the password login that she used on her phone to log into it online, and then it worked. So maybe do that first. If you're doing it at school and you want to do a projector or show it on the screen for the students, you go to lyricstraining.com, click on Go to Web, and then you'll log in. All right. So first thing you'll want to do is just probably try it out yourself. But let's say there's a song that you're already familiar with, it's really popular, and you want to do this activity with your students where they get to listen to the song and either fill in the blanks with the lyrics that they hear but are missing, or they have a multiple choice word that they can choose to fill in the blanks. So let's say I'm just going to use this word right here, La Familia Madrigal. I'll click that. Now what they give you are some different options here, beginner through expert, and these activities are all for listening to the song and then a blank comes up and you have to fill in the word that you hear them say. Now these can be kind of challenging. So what I like to do is actually create a new exercise where the students get to choose multiple choice what words are missing. So to do that, I'm going to click down here where it says new exercise. And then I'm going to call it La Familia Madrigal multiple choice. And then I'm going to choose choice right here. And then what you do is go through all of these words and pick the ones that you want them to have to listen for. So I'm going to do that right now. Once you've done picking all your words, you'll click the Save button. I just started picking some random words because it was taking too long. And then if you want to see if you like it, click the Preview button. It'll take you to this, or it'll take you to this page over here. And then you click here to start the game, and it'll start playing the video, and then some words up here will come up on the right, and you'll have to choose as you're playing the game. I'm not going to play it because I'm going to get flagged for copyright, so I'm not going to do that. We'll go back over here, and then I'm going to click Save. So you're done now. So what you can do is when you're logged into Lyricstraining, you know that you have this activity you just created on La Familia Madrigal, and you're going to go to your account up here and go to My Exercises, and then you'll find it right here. And then the students, you can play this for the students. And I believe that you guys can play this as well if you want to just try it out right now. I'll put this link right here to the description of the video, and I believe if I do that, if I paste it over here into this tab, it takes me to that activity and you can try it out. So give it a shot if you want to just kind of see what it's like and do it in class. I'm going to make another video where I show you how to make an activity on here from a song that is not available on Lyricstraining in another video. So check that out if you want to hear more. But this is a fun way students can listen to some music, practice their listening skills, and do it as class or individual activities. Get this link to them if you want to let them do it on their own. I totally suggest you give it a shot. Okay, if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, nos vemos.